We were out celebrating for my friend's birthday. We were just kind of out in Midtown having fun, walking from one bar to the next. We were deciding where we were going to go next, and I was struck by a car. We were walking by the exit of a parking garage, and this girl just came out of the parking garage, looked toward traffic. We kept walking, and then she just entered the road without looking. My head hit the ground. I had a mild concussion. I don't remember the first couple of minutes. My shoe had actually been ripped off of my foot in the accident. My big toe and the toe next to it were broken. Luckily, I had some friends with me, so they were able to get me out of the street and into safety to wait for the ambulance to arrive. After the paramedics were able to look me over, I think everything kind of hit me, and the weight of what had just happened hit me, and it was a very emotional time. They'd asked for my insurance card, and I'd questioned it at first because I was like, well, I was just hit by someone else, their insurance should be covering this, so shouldn't we ask for her information? We get to the hospital, same thing, I get checked in, they're asking for my insurance information rather than hers. And I was there for a couple of hours. By the end of my visit, the police had come back and dropped off the police report, so I had the police report number. And I was kind of asking everybody, I don't really know how this is supposed to go. Obviously, I'm not paying for this, so how do we get her information to contact? And I was basically just told everything would be handled, but I didn't necessarily trust that. So I wanted to get a lawyer involved to make sure that everything was taken care of. And that was what brought me to Husain. I've known the reputation of Husain Law for quite a few years now. So luckily I was able to reach out to him and kind of ask him questions on how I should be handling it. Anytime I needed anything, I was able to just call in. I immediately got through to somebody. They kept me in loop as they were dealing with the insurance companies and letting me know where the case was. I had never had anything like this happen to me before, so I had a lot of concern just around what was going to happen, how it was going to be handled, and Husain was really good at just completely taking over everything. I was able to ask any questions, then they always had an answer for me, and that's one of the reasons if anyone I knew was in an injury, I would definitely recommend Husain Law.